Anya and the Little Bird. In a bustling town, a young girl named Anya lived with her parents, who were always busy with work. Despite their hectic schedules, they made sure to spend quality time with Anya every evening, sharing stories and laughter. One sunny afternoon, Anya found a small, injured bird in their garden. She rushed to her parents, asking them to help her take care of it. Her father, though tired from work, gently bandaged the bird's wing, and her mother found a cozy box for it to rest in. They told Anya they would all take turns caring for the bird until it was well enough to fly again. Days turned into weeks, and the family diligently cared for the little bird. Anya noticed how her parents, despite their exhaustion, always made time for the bird and for her. They taught her how to be gentle, patient, and responsible. One evening, as they watched the bird take its first flight, Anya's mother said, "Love and care make everything possible, even when it's hard." From that day on, Anya appreciated the love her parents gave her and vowed to show the same care and kindness to others. And the bird, now soaring high, was a reminder of their family's love and dedication. True love and care are demonstrated through actions, big and small, binding us together and giving us strength, even during the busiest times.